Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, May 14th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the pound dollar, I still think this is going to make a higher low, higher low. I still think this is either going to go up to complete a trend for an expanding flat wave C, which would most likely take it above these highs, or possibly a running flat wave C, which would bring it down to one of these lower Fibonacci extension levels. Either way, I'm definitely still bullish, and I think we have a pretty decent trend ahead of us still. Heading down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I definitely am still looking at this as a 1. I think this is a running flat wave 2. If that's the case, then that means this right here is a 1. That means that this right here is a wave 2. And I think there's a very good likelihood we are already in that wave 3 of an expanding flat or a running flat, just like I was explaining on the monthly. Heading down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I think this is 5 waves up, most likely at 1. I was actually wondering if this is not an ABC, but it's a WXY. But either way, I mean, you could call it a WXY or an ABC. It's the same result. Either way, it's impulsive down A, corrective up B, impulsive down C, Fibonacci level 61.8, end of a crescent, end of a wave 2. I kind of suspect that there's a very good chance that we are in a wave 1, and most likely this is a wave 1 of wave 3. So taking it down to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, we had a pretty big push down on all the pound pairs this morning. We had a little bit of pound news that caused this to go down. But we have some PPI news this afternoon. We also have a Powell speech today. And then tomorrow we have CPI for the US dollar. I think this needs to go up still. I believe that this is the end of a correction right here. I think this is an A. I think this is 3 waves up for a B. I think this is 5 waves down for a C. Nice breaker structure. I think, if anything, this is probably just retesting structure. And I think there's a very good chance that today it will end up continuing the uptrend, either at the Powell speech or maybe at the PPI news. So heading down to the 1-hour time frame, I still got my Fibonacci retracement on this last push up right here. I mean, we are kind of respecting the 78% so far. If this actually does start to turn into like an engulfing move to the upside, then I personally think that it still would be the end of a correction. I am definitely still looking for longs. All the higher time frames are giving me no reason at all to think that this is going down in any significant way. So I am definitely looking for the end of 3-way pullbacks to go long for the continuation of this uptrend at the end of every single pullback I see. So if this does turn into an engulfing move, then that's going to be my next long opportunity for the continuation of the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all my daily live trading sessions. And it also gives you access to all my swing trade setups that I share with the group at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.